Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to remove You May Like on TikTok. If you want to manage your TikTok activity and clear your search history, it is easy to do so directly from the app. You can also adjust your personalized post suggestions to control what content appears on your feed. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you clean up your TikTok account and manage your preferences. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile phone. Make sure to log in or sign up for your account. At the top, you will find the search icon. Now, you will see that you may like the area. After that, reach the Profile tab by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then, tap on the 3 horizontal rows. Select Settings and Privacy, and choose the Activity Center. Here, tap on Search History, and you will find your history here. Mark a tick on the Search All History option. Hit the Delete All button. Next, go back to the Settings and Privacy. Now, tap on Notifications and scroll down. Reach the Personalized Post Suggestions. After that, hit the toggle button to disable the posts from people you may know, reposted by others, and posts you might like options. Go back and scroll down to find the Help Center. Then, hit the Chat with Us button. Lastly, chat with it and tell your problem to get help. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.